25 Tips for Healthy Relationship. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel, Info for You. Today, we're talking about 25 tips to make a relationship healthy. Whether you're just starting out in a relationship or you've been together for years, these tips can help you keep your relationship strong and healthy. So, before wasting much time, let's start this video. Here are 25 tips to make a relationship healthy. Tip number 1. Communicate effectively. This is probably the most important tip on the list. Communication is key to any healthy relationship. Make sure you can talk to your partner about anything and everything, even the difficult stuff. Tip number 2. Be supportive. Be there for your partner when they need you. Offer them your love, support, and understanding. Tip number 3. Be honest. Honesty is essential in any relationship. Be honest with your partner about your feelings, your thoughts, and your needs. Tip number 4. Be respectful. Treat your partner with respect, even when you disagree. Tip number 5. Be forgiving. Everyone makes mistakes. Be willing to forgive your partner when they make a mistake. Tip number 6. Be open-minded. Be willing to see things from your partner's perspective. Tip number 7. Be willing to compromise. No two people are exactly alike. Be willing to compromise with your partner in order to reach an agreement. Tip number 8. Spend time together. Make time for each other, even when you're busy. Go on dates, do activities together, and just talk. Tip number 9. Be playful. Have fun together. Laugh and enjoy each other's company. Tip number 10. Show your appreciation. Let your partner know how much you appreciate them. Tell them you love them, compliment them, and do little things to show them you care. Tip number 11. Be a good listener. Really listen to what your partner has to say. Don't just wait for your turn to talk. Tip number 12. Be there for the big moments. Be there for your partner for the big moments in their life, like birthdays, graduations, and job promotions. Tip number 13. Be there for the small moments too. Don't just be there for the big moments. Be there for the small moments too. Like making breakfast together or watching a movie on the couch. Tip number 14. Be supportive of your partner's dreams. Help your partner achieve their dreams. Cheer them on and offer them your support. Tip number 15. Be honest about your needs. Don't be afraid to tell your partner what you need in the relationship. Tip number 16. Be willing to work on the relationship. Relationships take work. Be willing to put in the effort to make your relationship strong and healthy. Tip number 17. Don't take your partner for granted. Appreciate your partner every day. Let them know how much you love and cherish them. Tip number 18. Don't compare your relationship to others. Every relationship is different. Don't compare your relationship to others. Tip number 19. Don't let your past relationships affect your current one. Everyone has baggage from their past. Don't let your past relationships affect your current one. Tip number 20. Don't give up on your relationship. If you're having problems, don't give up on your relationship. Work through the problems together. Tip number 21. Learn each other's love languages. Everyone expresses and receives love differently. Learn your partner's love language and make sure you're showing them love in the way that they best receive it. Tip number 22. Set boundaries. It's important to have boundaries in a relationship. This means knowing what you're comfortable with and what you're not comfortable with. Be honest with your partner about your boundaries and respect their boundaries as well. Tip number 23. Don't be afraid to ask for help. If you're struggling in your relationship, don't be afraid to ask for help from a therapist or counselor. They can help you work through your problems and improve your communication skills. Tip number 24. Make time for yourself. It's important to have your own hobbies and interests outside of the relationship. This will help you stay balanced and avoid becoming codependent on your partner. Tip number 25. Don't be afraid to say no. It's okay to say no to your partner sometimes. You don't have to do everything they want to do. These are just a few tips to help you make your relationship healthy. Remember, every relationship is different. What works for one couple may not work for another. The most important thing is to communicate with your partner and be willing to work on the relationship. Thank you for watching. I hope these tips help you make your relationship healthy and happy. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.